In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a stroke to a shape in Photoshop step by step, and I'll also show you what to do if the stroke option is grayed out. This is a super important skill if you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, logos, or any kind of design where you need clean borders around shapes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add a fully customizable stroke with complete control over thickness, position, and color. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in Photoshop and make sure you already have a shape created. You can create one using the Shape tool by pressing U on your keyboard and choosing Rectangle, Ellipse, or any custom shape from the top toolbar. Once your shape is on the canvas, go over to the Layers panel and click on the Shape layer to make sure it's selected. This step is important because layer styles only apply to the currently selected layer. Now, with your shape layer selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the FX icon. This stands for Layer Styles. When you click it, a menu will appear. From this list, choose Stroke. As soon as you click Stroke, the Layer Style window will open, and you'll see your border appear around the shape in real time. Inside the stroke settings, you'll see several options that give you full control. The first option is Size. This controls the thickness of the border. Increase the size to make the stroke thicker or decrease it to make it thinner. You can either drag the slider or type in an exact pixel value if you need precision. Next is Position. This determines where the stroke appears. You have three options: inside, center, and outside. Inside places the border inside the edges of the shape, which keeps the outer dimensions consistent. Outside places the stroke around the outside edges, which slightly increases the overall size of the shape. Center splits the stroke evenly across the edge. For most design work, like thumbnails, outside is commonly used because it makes the border more visible, but it really depends on your design needs. Now let's look at the fill type. By default, it's set to color. Click the color box to choose any color you want for your stroke. You can pick from the color picker, enter a hex code, or sample a color from your design. If you want something more advanced, you can change the fill type from color to gradient. This allows you to create a gradient border with multiple colors, which can look really professional and eye-catching. Once you're happy with the thickness, position, and color, click OK. And that's it. You've successfully added a stroke to your shape using layer styles, which gives you maximum flexibility because you can always come back and edit it later. Just double-click on the word stroke under your layer in the Layers panel to reopen the settings. Now let's quickly talk about a common issue. Sometimes when you try to add a stroke, the stroke option might be grayed out. If that happens, it usually means your layer has been rasterized. In simple terms, that means it's no longer a live shape layer, and Photoshop is treating it like a regular pixel layer. To fix this, select the Shape tool again by pressing U on your keyboard. Then check the top toolbar and make sure the mode is set to shape, not pixels. If it's set to pixels, any new shapes you create will be rasterized automatically, which limits your editing flexibility. When it's set to shape, Photoshop creates a vector shape layer, and that allows you to apply and edit strokes properly using layer styles. If your current layer is already rasterized, you may need to recreate the shape as a proper shape layer to get full stroke control back. Going forward, just make sure you're always working with shape layers if you want non-destructive editing. And that's how you add a stroke to a shape in Photoshop, plus how to fix it if the option is grayed out. It's quick, simple, and gives you a lot of creative control once you understand how it works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials made easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.